Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I have this Releno RGB S116 LED key light. Some cool features about this light is the 360 full color range, a wireless remote control, and a built-in rechargeable battery. Full disclaimer, this light was sent over to me by the people at Releno, but I will be completely honest in my review and my comments. Jumping right into the unboxing here, the first thing you're going to find is a user manual. And you'll find one plastic stand with the cold shoe insert. And here's that cold shoe attachment. Now both the stand and this attachment are made out of plastic, but it feels very durable and strong. Next, there's a 360 ball head attachment. This one's made out of metal and plastic, and it feels really high quality. We have a USB-C type charger and a telescopic pole. This pole allows the light to stand at a minimum of 22 inches and a maximum height of 33 inches to the top of the light. It's that 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote control. It's made out of plastic but feels pretty durable and pretty good feel to the hand here. It has a series of buttons on the front and a turning wheel and also a charging port at the bottom. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at the main thing right here. This is the LED light itself. It's made out of what feels to be very high quality plastic. On the back here, you will find the power button, a Type-C power port for charging, an LED battery indicator, and you will also find a slot for the remote control that is actually magnetic. This is not only to store the remote control, but it also charges the remote control. Lastly, we have a weighted base or stand. It is made out of solid metal and has pretty good weight to it. Again, here is a snapshot of all the contents that are included inside the box. And up next, I'm going to show you how to assemble this light, as there is two methods. Method number one is by using the telescopic stand and weighted base. We're going to start by screwing the telescopic pole to the metal base. Then we'll screw the ball head onto the top of the pole. And lastly, we'll screw the LED light to the top of all of that and make the adjustments you like. And that's it. The ball head attachment allows you to turn the light 360 degrees and also point the light down or up. This will ensure that you position your light just right. And this is the final look of method number one. Method number two is for a much lower profile light setup, and for this we're just going to be using the cold shoe mount and the cold shoe stand, and we're going to be inserting the light into these two pieces just like this. And that's what this setup looks like. Next, we're going to go ahead and power the light and show you some of the controls and cool things this light can do. Starting with the remote, the wheel on the remote will always be defaulted to the brightness, which will be this number furthest to the left. The FN button will navigate you to control other settings of the light, and you can use the wheel to adjust said setting. I'm here in the key light mode and adjusting the white balance. 2500 Kelvin is the warmest temperature, with 8500 Kelvin being the coolest temperature setting you can use with this light. The next button here is the mode button. This button will change between light modes: key light, RGB, and scene. Here is the RGB mode, and the range of colors go from 0 to 360 degrees. All beautiful and vivid colors. It's super cool how you can not only adjust the hue, but you can also adjust the saturation of each color to fine tune it to your favorite color. And then once you're done dialing it in, you can place your remote in the magnetic slot behind the light. I have to say, this is one of the best lights I've tried out so far, and it has completely took my lighting and videos to the next level. Whether I'm streaming or making short form or long form content or having a product shot, this is a small but powerful light that performs really good. I think some of the best features about this light is the versatility and how compact it actually is. This is specifically important to me because the room I record in is actually small. Now, this light is meant to be used on a desktop or tabletop. I personally love the range of colors and how customizable you can get while dialing in the perfect settings. If you're looking for an LED light to level up your video or streaming content, I definitely do recommend this LED key light from Roleno.